Today, I'm going to be talking about mobile pay with Lunar. I've been using Lunar for a while now, and I've found it to be a really great way to manage my money. What is mobile pay? Before we get into the details of using mobile pay with Lunar, let's take a quick look at what mobile pay is. Mobile pay is a way to make payments using your smartphone. There are a number of different mobile pay services available, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. How does mobile pay work? Mobile pay works by using near-field communication, NFC, technology. NFC is a short-range wireless technology that allows two devices to communicate with each other. When you want to make a payment using mobile pay, you simply hold your phone near the payment terminal. The NFC technology will then transfer the payment information to the terminal. What are the benefits of using mobile pay? There are a number of benefits to using mobile pay. One benefit is that it's convenient. You can make payments using your phone without having to carry around a wallet. Another benefit is that it's secure. Mobile pay uses encryption to protect your payment information. How to get mobile pay with Lunar? Now that we know what mobile pay is and how it works, let's talk about how to get mobile pay with Lunar. Download the Lunar app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account. Add your bank card to your Lunar account. Once your bank card is added, you can start using mobile pay with Lunar. How to use mobile pay with Lunar? To use mobile pay with Lunar, simply open the Lunar app and tap on the Pay button. Then, hold your phone near the payment terminal. The payment will be processed automatically. Additional tips. You can also use mobile pay to make online purchases. You can set up a PIN code for your Lunar account to add an extra layer of security. You can also use Lunar to send and receive money to friends and family. Mobile pay is a great way to make payments. It's convenient, secure, and easy to use. If you're looking for a way to manage your money, I highly recommend using mobile pay with Lunar. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.